Shown here is a piece of 1/2 inch by 4 inch MDF that I've just cut with my chop saw after adjusting the fences. And as you can see, looking at it, it's come out square. I've got it against the fence, 2 fences, and if you take the feeler gauge, you can see it won't fit down in between the 2 cut pieces. This is a 2/1000 of an inch feeler blade right here. And also, to check, make sure that it is in fact square from one end to the other, going from here to here. What you do is take one piece, in this case I'm going to take the piece on the right side and flip it over like so, and then put the pieces back together and see if they still remain tight to one another. And as you can see, they do. And you can again, we can take the feeler gauge, run it along here, and oops, it doesn't fit down in there. And again, that's the 2/1000 of an inch feeler gauge blade. So the adjusting worked out well. And in the next video after this, just down below in the post, I'll show more clearly why this flipping the wood piece over verifies that in fact your wood is square, and not say at some angle. Thanks for watching.